Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenny and this is the official YouTube channel for an amazing dropshipping software called Spot and Paste. Today I'm going to be giving you 3 ways that you can use social media to increase your sales within your Shopify store. So the first way that you can use social media for your benefit to bring in more sales is to make sure that you are making your products easy to share. So when your potential buyers are going to your product pages, if there's a way that they can share it, then that's great, because if they really like your product, then they're going to hit that little share button. They're going to share it on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, anywhere that they can, and they're going to end up telling the world about it, which is then promoting your products without you having to pay for ads. The second way that you can use social media for your benefit and to help increase your sales is to make sure that you are showing the world your reviews on your social media. If you have fantastic reviews on your Facebook page, you are going to be getting more people who trust you and who will be coming to your store. Facebook is one of the best places to be getting reviews because the reviews are coming from real people. They can't just be faked like they can be on a WooCommerce store or even on a Shopify store. And so having those good reviews on your Facebook page and then showcasing them on your store can really help bring in more revenue, more sales. And then the third way that you can use social media to increase your sales is make sure that you are using hashtags if you are using Instagram as your social media platform. Hashtags are a gold mine. Whenever it comes to Instagram, you have the ability to use or to put in 30 different hashtags within your description, but then you can also put an additional 30 in each one of the comments, and those hashtags that have been placed into your comments, they register within Instagram the same way that they do whenever they're in your description. So that gives you an endless possibility to be able to use hashtags for your benefit. For the people who are following those hashtags, then your posts are just going to start popping up and they're going to see. So, all right, you guys, I hope that you have found a lot of value in this video. Please make sure that you do hit the subscribe button below and hit the bell. Make sure that you're subscribed to our videos. Also, too, if you want to be getting all of this information in your email, which we give even more information in the blog post, make sure that you click the little link in the description and subscribe to the email. All right, you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.